Most people will never be rich, not because they're lazy, because they're thinking like hunters, not builders. Only the 1% know this. Son, money is like water. Systems are like a dam. Most people spend their life chasing water, running after it when it flows, panicking when it stops, celebrating when they catch a little in their hands. But water is unstable. It moves, it disappears, it never stays loyal. Now imagine a man who stops chasing water and builds a dam. At first, people laugh. He's just standing there building walls while everyone else is running after streams. But over time, something changes. The dam starts collecting water, not from effort, from structure. Rain comes once and it stays, rivers flow, and they are controlled. Even drought doesn't destroy them anymore. That's the difference. Most people are standing in the rain trying to drink from their hands. A few people are building systems that store the rain for years. That's wealth, not chasing, not luck, not hustle, control. And once the dam is strong enough, it doesn't matter how the water comes, slow, fast, seasonal, unpredictable. It all ends up in the same place. That's what separates workers from builders. If you have to wake up to make money, you're still poor. Harsh, but true. Look at history. When the Roman Empire fell, when kingdoms collapsed, when people lost land, titles, power, who survived? Not the strongest, not the loudest, the ones with systems. Here's what Jews understood for generations. Land can be taken, gold can be stolen, but a system, a network, a skill that prints money, that travels with you. That's why the Talmud doesn't just teach prayer, it teaches structure, law, trade, discipline, because wealth is not luck, it's architecture. Now listen carefully. Most people do this. They chase income, salary, deals, one-time wins. Jews do this. They build machines, a business that runs, a network that feeds opportunities, assets that pay monthly, quietly, consistently. No noise, just flow. Let me test you. Test one. If you stop working today, does money still come in? If the answer is no, you don't have wealth. You have a job with better branding. Test two. Are you paid for your time or for what you own? Time-based income is a trap. Ownership is freedom. Test three. Do you spend first or invest first? Most people celebrate when money comes in. Jews get serious because they know money is not to be enjoyed first, it's to be multiplied first. That's the discipline. And here's the part nobody tells you. Wealth is quiet, systems are boring, but boring pays forever. Flashy money dies fast. Structured money outlives you. That's why some families stay rich for 100 years, while others go broke in 5. The real secret? Stop chasing money. Start building something that doesn't need you. That's when the game changes. If this video hit you deep inside, do 2 things for me. Drop system in the comments so I know you heard me. Share this with one young man who needs to hear it before he makes the biggest mistake of his life. And if you want more videos like this every week, honest wisdom from a man who built wealth and learned life the hard way, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. From my heart to yours, Richard Whitemore.